Hello Cocas! In today's video we're gonna do the unboxing and review of the Logitech Pop Keys along with its mouse, which is this one, and the desk mat as well. So join us in this video to check it out. We have the color Daydream here for this keyboard, which you can see it's a very nice box. It has this shiny letters showing the name of the model, just a brown Logitech, and behind the box it's a brief description of what we've got here. It's a very nice picture showing the colors. So we have a beautiful purple, we have this beautiful mint green, yellow and white, which is very nice. So the color is called Daydream. And well, there's not much in the box, so let's open it. So it opens alright. I don't think the camera is getting the correct color, but it is this very bright purple with white and yellow dots matching the design of the keyboard. So it comes very well wrapped. I'm feeling Christmas vibes here. So it is here. It has this, I don't know, this tape, mint green, matching all the aesthetic of the keyboard itself. So it's very nice. It's a very nice design work, and it says get expressive, #personality that pops, which is all the concept that Logitech has with this set of keyboard and mouse, which is very nice. I think they're going with the flow, and yeah, just they're being trendy here. So it's very nice, and well, let's open it. Yes, in the box. Well, aside from the paper in which it was wrapped, we have this tiny little bag. So first we have this to say that something's on fire, which is very nice. So we have this one, and we're gonna put it in this little pouch. And we also have a heart. Here it is. Very nice. Again in its pouch. We have the classic and well-known by now like button, so the one that you should click after watching this video. And we've also got this two hands, please. Here it is, very nice. And yeah, and the dongle, there it is. So the keyboard can be connected through wireless or Wi-Fi or through Bluetooth. So it's a wireless keyboard, which is nice since I mean, I really need my stuff to be easy to carry. I don't really want to be tied to anything, so having wireless stuff for me it's very important right now. And yeah, that's all we've got in the box. That's it. So we're gonna put it aside, and yeah, very appreciated this little one, because otherwise I don't know where I would put this key, so highly appreciate it. There it is. Oh, this is nice. Alright, so here we got it. I'm just gonna take it out very carefully, and there it is. There it is. So we see the very nice colors, we see all the combination, very shiny keys. There you can see how they shine. So yeah, this is a 65 keyboard, and as you can see, if I put it like this, it resembles a typewriter, which if you are old enough to remember them and to have used them, the keyboards of typewriters were like that, with the keys just popping up. So it was very hard if you put your finger in between on those keys. So this reminds me of that, as you can see here. they're all popping up, so it's not plain. And here we have this very shiny escape key. And in the side we have, there it is, we have the emojis keys, which we'll go to look into. So this is it, very nice and tiny, very neat. And in this part we have, well, this side, so it stays up. What else? Well, there's not much here, just this to keep it steady on the desk. And yeah, so it looks like this. I'm gonna just take it a closer look to it. Which is the pair of the keyboard. So we see the same colors, the purple, mint green, yellow and white in the box. The box isn't as pretty as the one for the keyboard. It doesn't have the bright letters, it's just black bone letters, but that's alright. What else? It says one touch emoji, open the emoji menu or customize your favorite shortcut. That's all it says behind. And the smart wheel, which shows that it is precise, so not much in the back part. What else? It says that it is silent touch, which is 90% noise reduced clicks. Highly appreciated as well. 24-month battery life. Oh, that's important to mention. This uses batteries as well as a keyboard. However, it is mentioned that for this, the battery that comes with will last for 24 months, and for the keyboard, I think it said up to 2 years of battery life. So we're going to see, and this is also a Bluetooth device. So the same legend. Get expressive. That's the first thing you see when you open the box, and you see the emojis and the hashtag for this line of products. Personality that pops. There you have. And so I remove this. Oh, what else we have here? We have also its warranty and safety and compliance instructions. Yeah, very well secured there. Yeah, so here it's the mouse. So you can see it fits in the palm of my hand, so it is a small mouse. It's very lightweight. Yeah, as you can see, it's not heavy at all. We have the same colors shown in the box, so nothing's changing. We have the same ones. The only one we don't have is the white, that it is predominant in the keyboard. But I really like this, especially because it is very light. So here's the switch to turn it on. Yeah, not much. So this is to start working with it. Once I remove this, the battery life is going to start. So yeah, it's very nice, as you can see. Alrighty, and now we've got the final product of this unboxing, which, by the way, it's worth mentioning that this is not a sponsor by Logitech. This is stuff that we actually bought with our own money. So this review is going to be pretty honest, as this is something that we actually spend our money in. So this is not sponsored, just FYI. And the last product is the desk mat, which is obviously matching the colors of the keyboard and the mouse. We have this beautiful light purple, so not much to show in the box. Yeah, not much. So let's open it. It actually seems like a mini yoga mat. Yeah, not much in the box. I'm gonna put it aside, and oh, feeling soft. This might be as well be an ASMR video, but it isn't. So we have the mat here. Oh, pretty nice length, enough for the size of my desk, of my current desk. So let's put it here. Yeah, not much, just it has the borders here with a brighter purple, darker purple actually, and we have the logo of the brand down here in this corner. We don't see any branding of Pop Keys or the hashtag of the other products, so this might as well be a generic product, but still it matches perfectly, so nice. So we're gonna put it here, and yeah, as you can see, it covers a good length. I'll put it better here. So it has the perfect size to put the keyboard. So it's fitting well here, and the mouse. So here it is, and as you can see, I still have well, more space to put something else. Otherwise, you can keep a nice, clean, and very tidy workspace here. You have also room enough to move around, as you can see here. Yeah, very nice space. It's rolling very smoothly, so it's feeling nice. Also, the textures just, I can't, it's very, very soft. So it runs smoothly through here. And the most important part for me in this video is that it is very convenient to work in public places, in public places to do remote work. It also fits a small desk. So if you're looking for mobility but still a nice desk mat, this one seems to be a very good one. It has a good size, looks pretty, it feels great, so it is nice. So here we are in the Logitech website, and as you can see, this keyboard and mice come in 3 different colors. We have the combination of flash, which is yellow, gray, and black, pretty much like a bee. This is the one we've got, the Daydream, and the other one is a Heartbreaker combination, which is a pinkish, reddish, white combination. This is very nice as well. Yeah, but the one we have is Daydream. It specifies that it only weighs 779 grams, which is very light, to be honest. So just to be able to type, and I'm gonna just do a little test for you. So we have here the emojis that we've typed, but I hope you are able to hear this. But if you type as you can hear, it's very, it's louder than the modern keyboards, which you have these plain keys and it barely hears. So in this one, it's not the case. You have loud keys. Again, I'm gonna try it. Okay, so let's try to change one of the emoji keys. I have here with me the like key. Here it is. So let's change it. As you can see, here it has a key that it's just showing like smiley faces, but not one in particular. So I'm gonna change this because I assume that this is the replaceable. So let's do it. I don't want to mess it. So let's just take it. There it is. Nice and simple. So I'm gonna replace this one for the like button. And yeah, it was very simple, effortless. And alright. Oh, can't put it there. And there it is. Okay, so now I've changed the key. Doesn't seem to be typing anything. There it is. I'm trying them all. I think this is, oh, now I get it. So this key is the one that you use to open the menu and have all the emojis. So I've removed the like button, and I'm gonna put again the one with the smiley faces. And there it is. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, that button what really does is open the menu. So I can select from any of the gifts, emojis, or whatever symbol I want. Emojis. So if we want to change one of the keys, like let's use this one, I have to open the software. Here it is. Here it is. And so you go to the keys section and you select which key you want to modify. So it's showing that the first one is going to put the hard eyes face, sad face, smiling, etc. So we click in the key and it gives you all the emojis that we have available. Yeah, so there it is. So we can put whatever we want. So I have these hands here, so I'm going to select this. There it is. And that's it. So now you can interchange them. So you take it out. And there it is. So you press it and there it is. Pledging. And that's it. So remember to like this video and subscribe and follow us on our other social media. Thank you.